Hi everyone, Lek here again. Today I want to show you my favorite EDC knives that I carry, give you a close-up of each one and my personal feedback. So let's check them out. First one I'm going to go with is this custom SBK by a local knife guy from New Jersey. This is his design. He has a few of these out in different styles. You can actually see them on my website, hikepro.net. I am one of the dealers for the knives, but I'm not trying to advertise the knife here. I just wanted to give you my personal feedback. So this one right here, I carried for about 3 years now, almost on a regular basis. Really pretty looking knife. It's titanium scales, titanium hardware. The blade is Vegetin stainless with Damascus overlay. For 3 years, as you see, this has been holding up really good. It holds an edge really nice actually. There's some oil here. Holds an edge really nice. I sharpen it maybe a couple times a year, and as you see, there's really no edge damage for the amount of time I've been using it. Even the Damascus overlay is still in great shape. So a really pretty knife. I believe it's 2.1 ounces overall weight. Nice, slim, fits in your pocket really comfortably. I mean, it's been my go-to knife on a regular basis for about 3 years now. Everyday use. Super smooth after you break it in when it opens. Here is a comparison to a brand new one. If you would like to purchase one. As you see, the titanium is a little darker still on the screws. And yeah, pretty knife. There's a couple versions of it on my site. Check it out. My other everyday beat up knife is this Kershaw right here. It's a spring assisted model. This is some titanium alloy scales. It is a Chinese made Kershaw, but still a solid knife. I've been beating this up for a few months now. There's a little chip on the edge here, but I wasn't easy on this knife at all. Really cool, not too heavy. I'm not sure of the exact weight. This is the 3810. This is actually a discontinued knife, but still solid, heavy duty, nice everyday knife. Thick blade. Love the spring assist on this with the button release. Close. So that's really cool. This is my older Kershaw that I had for a while. It's been more like my beat up camping knife. This one's spring assisted, really strong kick, so you want to hold this knife tough. First time I got it, actually jumped out of my hand and it cut me. So yeah, definitely hold it strong. It's a nice black stonewash blade, half serrated. US made. This is a 1670, and that's the Speed Safe series, which, yeah, just a nice tough knife. A little rubber grip on the metal scales, really cool. And like I said, really strong spring assist. After that, let's go to one of my favorite Spydercos. Actually, my first one I ever purchased. This is a brand new version, but I've had another one that I've been beating up for a couple of years. I actually used one of these to build my forge, and I've been using it as my utility knife, chopping 2x4s and everything. It held an edge beautifully. It's just an amazing knife. So this is the Paramilitary 2. Here's a little close-up of the logo here. It's the S30V, so that's why the blade held up so well. It's an amazing steel, US made. Just a beautiful knife. Not much to say about this. It's a very common knife out there, very popular. I want to say $130, $150 range. Worth every penny. It's a great size, great shape, comfortable to hold. Love the lock mechanism on top instead of on the inside. Super smooth. And that's about it on this guy. One thing I'm going to do another video for you guys shortly is to compare it to its little clone. As you see, it's hard to tell, but we'll do a quick video to show you guys what's the difference between the clone and the real one. After the Spyderco, let's go to the ZT over here. So this has been a recent purchase. I purchased this used actually, and always wanted a carbon fiber scale knife. Love this thing. It's a huge blade, so that might be an issue in some states. So be careful when you carry this. I believe it's a 4.1 inch blade. Super sharp. US made, obviously. It's the 0452 carbon fiber CF. US made. Titanium on the other side. Just a big tough knife. As you see, no blade play. Super smooth opening, and just a nice pretty beast. I've been using this guy for camping, chopping food, wood, whatever. Just holds up beautifully. Speaking of ZTs, let's go to this little guy here. This one I actually bought customized from Blades We Love. You can check them out on Instagram, for example. Blades We Love, custom titanium screws, anodized. The bag has been custom anodized. I believe that's a rhombus pattern or something. Also super smooth opening. It looks like a small knife, but it's actually, I believe, a 3.75-inch blade. It's just a design curved. It's a pretty knife. The carbon fiber cut is here amazing, comfortable to hold. My hands aren't that big, and it's a good fit. Not my everyday carry though. It's a little too pretty, I feel like, for that, but it's like a go out to dinner knife. One thing I noticed about these ZTs, since I'm new to them, if you have your fingers pushing on this section here too hard, like this, the knife will not open. You will go crazy trying to open it. You have to be very gentle touching this, or don't have your fingers on it, and then it will just glide open. So a little tip to new ZT owners. So, I mean, the custom work on this I love. And this is to confirm, the ZT 0460, also S35 VN steel. So that can take a beating. A new Spyderco I just purchased that I haven't had a chance to carry yet, but I hear good things about it, is the Man X2. Supposedly this is one of the toughest folders from Spyderco. Just a heavy duty knife. Very cool looking blade. Nice solid finish, no blade plate whatsoever. Just feels like a solid knife, and supposedly this thing can take a beating, so I can't wait to test it. Love that little lock mechanism here. You can swing it open like this. Very smooth. I just flick it open, which is cool. So yeah, can't wait to use this guy. Nice full-size knife, feels good in the hand. Love the scales Spydercos have. One more Spyderco I want to show you guys is the Dragonfly 2 Salt series. So this is the Salt. This one's made in Japan. This is the Salt series for the ocean and the lakes and so on. So I've been using this for rafting and any water-based trips. It's easy to see, obviously, with the yellow. It's been holding up really well, no rust or anything. So and the serration is great for cutting rope. Great little knife, nice little everyday pocket knife if you just need a box cutter or something. Usually that's what we use knives for, right? So that's it of my regular carry knives that I've been using. A new addition that I got is the Microtech LUDT. It's a automatic knife, so not something you can carry in every state. But this thing is amazing. It's becoming my new favorite thing to carry. The the automatic opening is powerful, and this thing will fly out of your hand. So LUDT stands for the Large Underwater Demolition Team. This is a newer version of the knife. The push button is smooth, just aluminum scales, solid knife. The blade shape is amazing, very useful when it comes to chopping and cutting. This thing supposedly deploys on the water, which I still want to test. Just a heavy duty knife. Love opening this thing. Probably will get me in trouble one day, but it's worth it. Believe I've seen it for a couple $100 out there on sale, maybe at times. But just a great knife to have. So I hope this was informational for you guys. Feedback, comments, any questions you might have, let me know. I'll do a video next about the clone of the Spyderco, of the paramilitary 2 Spyderco, to give you guys some pointers when shopping. And then we have a little surprise. I got my first Chris Reeves. So there's a lot of craze about these knives. It's a higher end knife. It's up there in price range. So this is the small Nkosi inlay. So I'll do a quick box opening of this one next as well. Appreciate you watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this. Follow. I have a lot more videos coming, more knives, more other instructional videos, as well as some DIY stuff. So thanks for watching.